Hello my people. On today's video, I would like to talk about Git. Git is a sister to GitHub, but they are quite different. GitHub has the graphical user interface where you can see colors and many things, but Git, it has a command line interface where you just interact with it by writing code. Therefore, let's get into it. And before we get into it, I want to welcome you to this channel once again. Hit that subscribe button, like, share, comment so that we can grow together. Now, on to what we want to discuss today. I said we are doing Git. Here's my notebook. Don't usishangae mbona naangalia chini. Yeah, so it's a version control system where you are able to access, maybe if you made changes like 2 days ago, 3 days ago, you are able to roll back and see those changes as if you've never made new changes to that code. Yes. Now, mostly we push or we take our code to GitHub using Git. All right? Aha. Now, after when you want to use Git, you have to download it from the internet to your machine, which I'm going to show to you shortly. You will have to configure it. By configuring is telling Git who you are. You will give Git your username and your user email, and that username and user email, it should be connected or the same as the one that you're using in your GitHub account. There are many things about Git, but this video will be short. I will end my face here or telling you the discussion about Git here, then go to the interface and show you exactly what I'm talking about. There are many things like creating a folder, rolling back, which I will show you in the consecutive videos. But for now, download Git. So the first thing to do is to go to a browser, then search for Git. It's very important that you download Git from its official website so as to avoid security issues. Yes, now another thing to consider is the type of machine that you have. Mine is a Windows, so I will click on download for Windows, but make sure you know the kind of machine you have. If it is Mac, it is 32-bit or 64-bit, all of them have been explained there. It's very important so that you won't run to compatibility issues. So let's wait for it to finish downloading, and then we go and set it up. It is very simple to set Git. It is not a lot of work. Just click on it, the downloaded application. Then you'll just follow how it prompts you. There are no big deals there. Just press next. Specify where you want it to be. There is no need of changing the settings as they are. As a beginner, I didn't change anything. I just clicked next. You go to next, until you finish. That's how we do it. What else did I want to talk about? Yeah, remind me to share, to talk in details about graphical user interface and command line interface, because I just mentioned it. If you are interested in that, leave a comment asking me to talk about it in details. And also, if you want me to make a continuous video for both Git and GitHub, make it maybe long, something like 30 minutes or 40 to 50. Leave a comment telling me to explain that in details. I am willing to do that so that we can learn and grow together. Thank you. Now, I think we are done installing. Click on finish, and then you're good. You're good to go. When you launch Git, itakuletea notes zingine hapo, which is really not important for now because you don't want to know how Git was made. You only want to use it for your code. Yeah, those are the notes that will come. I will ignore them and continue to what we want to do. So what we want to do right now is to configure Git. As I told you earlier, configuring Git is telling Git who you are. So that is where you will input your username and your user email, as I'm doing right now. You can see the code. I'm using the code git config global user.name. Then in the quotes, you will put your name. You click enter and repeat the same for your user email, and that is set. There are many other things that you can do, but as a beginner, that you have already told Git who you are, and now you're ready to create a folder and initialize it and do some really cool stuff. Yeah, so that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Leave a comment, share this video to someone who is interested in tech. It can encourage them to venture into the tech space. And if you're not into tech, just enjoy it. Have fun with me. Thank you.